Hello. For my assignment, I made homemade drums. I got 2 tins and balloons, paper, scissors, and pencil. So I cut the top of the balloons off and put them on here and just kind of wrapped them down. Put rubber bands around this side. Then I got blue construction paper and cut it and just taped it around so you can see and taped it around. You're going to need 2 pencils to be your drumsticks, I think is what they're called. And then I made 2 of them. So you can use this in an elementary classroom by placing these instruments in the music center, and you just let the children play with these. And also you can make shakers out of these. So you could put little tiny rocks in here before putting the the balloons on top, and you can make shakers. So it really could be a 2-in-1 type of instrument. So I'm going to play this for you so that you guys can see how it sounds. So you have your 2 pencils, and you just go like this. And it makes the sound of a drum set. Thank you.